Hey there, I'm Vickie Howell, and for the past, I don't know, maybe 15 years, I have been sharing with the knitting and crochet community through television shows and books and tutorials, classes, live appearances, and of course social media, my passion for knitting. That could mean anything from great projects, to my favorite designs, to cool knitting tools, and obviously yarn. Up until now though, I've always had to send you off someplace else, hustling to try and find and hunt and, search for all of those great products. That, however, has changed. I'm thrilled to announce that in partnership with Cratejoy, I have my very own knitting subscription box called YarnYAY. And I'm so excited to be able to send you little bits of yarny happiness every single month. So what does that mean, right? Well, when I find a tool or a yarn that I'm really excited about it, I just want everybody to be able to work with it, right? And sometimes that could be a little tiny independent yarn dyer I come upon that you may not have access to, or maybe it's a fancy schmancy cashmere that maybe you don't want to splurge on, or maybe you just need the next great mainstay. Well, I am working with yarn companies all across the world to give you bite-sized samples of different yarns to make it affordable for you. I will give you enough to make a small project that I design for you, and then if you love it as much as I think you will, you just go out to your local yarn store, support them by buying it from them. There will also be a couple of special treats, tools or magazines or, all kinds of knitterly goodness that will come to you in a box to your very home. And of course, I don't do anything without nurturing community. So with a subscription, you'll also get secret access to a Facebook Live, or a Facebook group rather, where I will be there to essentially give you semi-private lessons, just hang out with you and do special videos just for you. So I cannot wait to send a little bit of YarnYAY to your house.